Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I don't know why you do that. And if you're new here, run, run. Just kidding. Don't run, please. I usually hop into my videos and I forget to say, hi, my name is Crystal and this is my channel. And welcome. I have tutorials. So this is a Happy Mail video. I received Happy Mail from Adrian from Kiwi's Crochet Corner, and I will leave her linked below. She has a lot going on her channel. She's doing tutorials. She does weekly updates on her whips. She does another on some, she's working through a slipper book that she purchased, or I don't know if you purchased it or you got it in a Happy Mail, actually. I can't remember. Sorry, I have like horrible memory sometimes. So she's working through Slipper Book. She does her Whip Wednesdays. She does a lot of shop talk because she has her Etsy shop, which I'll link below. She has patterns on there. She has finished items. She's a busy, busy, busy crocheter. It's so noisy here in the background. This is why I'm always cutting and editing my videos together, because it's very loud in the background here. Like, I'm in the open space of the living room, sectioned off and cut off for a little craft space. So it's very loud. But finishing my thought, she's very talented and she's a very good teacher. She also has like a leggy frog tutorial going, like she put up, and she's doing it's a fairy cardigan. I forget the full name of it. I will leave a link to all of everything down in the description so you guys can go check her out. She's very close to her. Sorry, wheezing. She's very close to monetization. If you guys would also go watch some of her playlists too, that would be really helpful. Anyways, I'm gonna get into the video of the reason that you're here, which is the Happy Meal. I'm gonna happy meal. So Adrian from Kiwi's Crochet Corner didn't hear me in my last video. Keep your voice down, please. So she did not hear me in my last video, and she's like, girl, I'm gonna send you a mic because, you know what I mean? So she invested in me and she purchased this and sent it to me, and it came the next day. Thank you so much. This is so awesome. It's like, I don't know, man. It's rarely do people have they want to invest in you, or they want to make you smile or make you happy. Thank you. Stop being weird. So I'm going to try it on, and then I'm going to, I guess, change the audio setting, and then you can hear me better. Probably. Definitely. So I'm going to do that. Be right back. It works. It works. I'm dabbing. It works. A lot more singing in my future. I'm just kidding. I was kidding. But it's very rare. It's very rare that someone will invest in someone else and like take the time out to do something like this. So that's like, I really appreciate it. You have no idea. Like, I was telling my husband last night and he's like, that's amazing. So you're amazing. Thank you, Adrian. Please go check out Adrian from Kiwi's Crochet Corner. She has amazing tutorials going on right now. And overall, really cool person. Like, I'm gonna go like record a video with actual audio that you can hear. Thank you again. Thank you guys for watching. This was a chat. This was a quality test. There's a lot of editing going on in this video because of the awkwardness and cringiness of me talking to a camera. I'm living in this sweater. So yeah, okay. See you guys later. I'm gonna do some diamond painting. Or work on something I'm supposed to be working on. I actually have homework. I should be doing homework. I'm gonna go do homework. Even though I don't want to. Alright, bye guys. So this is the picture I sent her when I received my package because I'm weird, right? Okay.